Let's go. Oh,
was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong. You're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah.
Morning. Aligo na.
Ay, gusto mo ano? Dito tayo sa massage area.
Massage area. Aldaw 7, aldaw 8. English magpapamasahe, diba?
Isang spicy. Ayaw nga pala. Naliligo kasi tayo. Yan.
Welcome to our tribe. Villa Bantay. So this is private abode ng mga mag-check-in.
So good. Fish?
Where? Oh, koi.
Koi ba sila?
That can easily be a tilapia also.
I mean, para sa blue.
Aldaw 5.
Aldaw 5.
Ay,
Miss Pan.
look meron pang
Ay, pagmaritesan.
pagmaritesan. Ganyan dapat, teka.
Ito ano na to.
Oh.
May mayat nga ang pagmaritesan.
Pagmaritesan talaga dito, kita mo. Pagmaritesan. Paiso.
Ito kayo. Ito yak lang.
Greenhouse kayo, ma'am.
Overnight radiance repair.
Gusto nyo magpakita ko yung mga rooms sa inyo, ma'am eh.
Pwede rin.
Pwede din naman.
Sige.
Pwede lang po.
Ano pangalan mo, kuya?
I'm Leonard Castro.
Leonard Castro. Ayan. And you?
Jolly man.
Jolly. Jolly pala. Ayun. Hello.
Hello po. Tapos how much na?
283.
Aircon ba?
Yes, ma'am. Centralized po yung aircon niya.
Sa gilid. Sa gilid. Ang ganda. In fairness, ayan, bato-bato siya. So, you feel the vibe na nature. Ayan. So, this one is how much? 6.5 per night.
Pero wala po siyang complimentary breakfast.
Walang breakfast. Pero meron namang ano doon where they can dine.
Yes ma'am, may restaurant naman.
May alakart naman po tayo na
Over there.
Ito yung ano nila.
Ayan, tapos may view ng ocean view
Yes,
doon.
overlooking po siya ng ocean view.
Yeah, ayun. Nga eh. Gano'n magkakadaw itong ganito? School pa.
Nasa ano, po siya ng 3 months. Zero na naman. Meron kasi yung mabubukbuk mo, 5 iwan.
If everyday naman po na meron. Pwede ko po ipakita sa'yo yung isang
Yung
malaki.
pinakamalaki, pakita mo yung pinakamalaki.
Sige. So this is the
Ito po yung pinakamalaki.
largest room they have. Ayan.
Ito po yung CR po. Ito lang po yung rooms na ano ma'am, may sariling CR tsaka may sarili po siyang aircon.
Hot and cold?
Yan, yun lang ma'am, wala po siyang TV.
Hot and cold?
Yes po ma'am.
Oo. Anyway, bakit ka naman magti-TV pag nandito ka sa nature?
Kasi nasa work, ito po kasi bahay ma'am, parang working spaces lang po kasi.
Ang view mo naman from here is, ayun, bundok. Ayan.
Take a train ride just to see you.
May activities ba dun sa beach?
May yoga po kami.
Yoga?
Every morning po.
Yoga or mga dance fitness.
Dance fitness every morning yun. Oh. Tapos magkano yung ano doon, yung fee for every activity?
Ay, libre po siya.
Libre na siya. So
Pero
you
may
can
mga
just...
activity naman po na by donation or
Yes po.
Okay. Alright, thank you for that. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda-ganda, diba? Saan mag-coffee?
Dito po ma'am.
Doon. From the breathtaking shores of Rai Rai to the rugged beauty of Biak na Bato and the marvel of the Santiago Project by Aluminak, Ilocos Sur is a land where nature, history, and innovation come together in harmony. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep chasing the wonders of the provinces.